Do you think these millions of views are just luck? No way! There's a secret formula behind it, and I'm about to show you exactly how to use it. But if you skip this video, you'll miss your chance. Let's go! One channel skyrocketed to 5.2 million views in just 30 days. Another, 3.4 million views in just 4 weeks, all by uploading AI-generated animal rescue videos. And the craziest part? They're not even recording real animals. They're using AI to hack the YouTube algorithm and go viral. You might be thinking, this sounds too easy, or maybe even fake. But what if I told you that you can do this too? In just 1 hour. No camera, no editing skills, just a smart strategy. Stay with me, or you'll miss the biggest YouTube automation shortcut of 2025. See these so-called rescue videos? Fake? These sad animals? AI-generated? The dramatic moments that get millions of views? All are created with free tools. But YouTube doesn't know, and the views keep skyrocketing. Warning, what I'm about to show you might seem illegal. Just kidding, it's 100% legal, but trust me, big creators don't want you to know this. Let's start with part 1, the secret AI tool almost no one is using. Watch this. Just type "injured puppy in the rain," click render, and boom! A heartbreaking viral clip in 10 seconds. But hold on, this is the wrong way to post it. Here's what you should do instead. Wait, I almost revealed the whole trick, but there's one important step for uploading. If you do it wrong, YouTube won't show your video to anyone. Stay with me, I'll explain in just a moment. This is why their videos go viral. No voiceovers, no fancy edits, just this one strategy. I'm about to break it all down, but you have to stick around until the end. Otherwise, it won't work. Deal? And whatever you do, don't skip ahead. The last 60 seconds, that's where the real 1,000 a day secret is hidden. Let's create this type of viral animal rescue video. To make this type of video, you need just 3 things: a powerful prompt, realistic sound effects, smart editing. First, let's start with the prompt. You need to open ChatGPT, and don't worry, I've already prepared the perfect prompt for you. You'll find the link in the description. Inside, there are 4 prompts saved in a Google Doc. Check them out and pick the first one. Copy it, then go to ChatGPT. Now, you need a strong title, but don't worry, you don't have to think of one yourself. Just look at the most viral videos on animal rescue channels, pick a title that's getting millions of views, and copy it. Now go back to ChatGPT, paste the title into the prompt, and hit enter. Instantly, ChatGPT will generate a complete story for you. I've already set the video length in the prompt, but you can adjust it however you like. Want a 1-minute short? Done. A 10-minute viral hit? No problem. You can customize the length based on your content strategy. And just like that, you've got a full script for your video. But we're just getting started. Now let's move to the next step, the secret to making your video feel real. Next, we need to create the images. For that, we need the second prompt. Copy the next prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. This will generate descriptions of the characters that will appear in your story. But here's the important part. We need consistent characters. Once ChatGPT generates the character descriptions, copy them and open a new ChatGPT tab. Paste the character descriptions there. Now go to Google Docs, copy the number 3 prompts, and paste it into ChatGPT. Click the Enter button in ChatGPT. It will analyze your prompt and refine it. Next, go back to the first ChatGPT tab, the one where you generated your story. Copy the first paragraph of your story. Now return to the second ChatGPT tab, where we just set up the image prompt. Paste the paragraph there and hit enter. ChatGPT will now generate a refined prompt, perfectly suited for creating realistic images. Now that our first image prompt is ready, it's time to generate the images. First, go to piclumenta.com, sign up, and log in. Once you're inside, you'll see the main interface. Click on the Create button. Next, copy the image prompt that ChatGPT provided and paste it into the prompt box. Set the aspect ratio to 16.9, perfect for YouTube videos. Choose the Flux model for better quality. Select 2 images for variation, then click the Generate button. Your image will start processing. Once the image is ready, download and save it to your device. Now return to ChatGPT where you generated the story. Copy the next paragraph and go back to the Image Prompt ChatGPT tab. Paste the paragraph there and hit Enter. ChatGPT will generate the next image prompt. Copy this prompt, go back to piclumenta.com, and generate the next image. Repeat this process for each paragraph of your story. Copy, paste, and let ChatGPT generate the perfect image prompts. If you want more variety, you can also use Ideogram AI or Midjourney to generate different styles of images. Once all the images are saved, we'll move on to the next step. To turn your images into animated videos using Hailuo AI, first, sign up or log into your account, then click on the Create button. If you haven't downloaded your images yet, go to piclumenta.com, download them, and upload them to the Image to Video section in Hailuo AI. Next, open ChatGPT, where you originally generated the image prompt for Piclumenta. Below that prompt, ChatGPT provides an animation prompt for Hailuo AI. Copy and paste it into Hailuo AI. Now adjust the video quality, camera movement, and motion effects to make your video more cinematic and engaging. Once everything is set, click the Generate button and Hailuo AI will create your animated video. Finally, download and save the video to your device. As soon as your video is generated, download and save it to your device. Next, go to piclumenta.com, download the next image, and upload it to Hailuo AI. Copy the Hailuo AI prompt provided below the original Piclumenta prompt in ChatGPT, paste it into Hailuo AI, and generate the animation. If you encounter any errors and the video isn't generating, try creating it without a prompt. Follow the same steps for each image, convert them into videos one by one, and save them. This method ensures you quickly and efficiently create a high-quality animated video using AI tools. The next step is very important to make our video more engaging. We need to generate sound effects. For this, go to ChatGPT and open the same chat where you previously generated image prompts. Paste the sound effect prompt there and press Enter. ChatGPT will now generate sound effect prompts based on your image descriptions. Once you have the sound effect prompts, we will use them to create realistic and immersive audio for our video. Now let's move on to generating the sound effects. First, copy the sound effect prompt and open a new tab. Search for 11 Labs and log into your account. Once logged in, click on the sound effect option. Here, paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT and generate the required sound effects. After generating them, download each sound effect to your device. Repeat the same process for all sound effects needed for the video. I will now quickly generate and save all the sound effects to my device. The next step is to edit your video. First, download and install CapCut on your device. After opening the app, click on the Import button and upload the videos generated from Hailuo AI. Arrange them on the timeline in the correct sequence, deciding which video should come first. Once your video clips are set, the next step is to add sound effects. Match each sound effect with the correct part of the video to enhance engagement. After that, click on the transition section where you'll find multiple transition effects. Use these to make your video smoother and more engaging. Now I'll show you a random transition as an example. You can follow the same steps to apply any transition of your choice. After adding a transition, you can make your video even more engaging by applying amazing effects. To do this, click on the Effects option where you'll find multiple free effects that you can use. Choose the effects that match your video's theme for the best results. Once everything is set, your video is ready to export. Click on the Export button and your video will be saved to your device. Now, before you check the final result, if you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also, all the prompts used in this video are available in the description, so be sure to check them out.